Welcome to the Kubert AI Assistant Lite demonstration video. In this video, we'll guide you through deploying the application and exploring its powerful features. Kubert AI Assistant Lite is an open source project designed to simplify Kubernetes management using AI-driven automation. With a local kind cluster setup, you can effortlessly manage Kubernetes resources using natural language prompts. Let's begin by deploying Kubert AI Assistant Lite on your local machine. First, clone the repository and navigate into the project directory. If you plan to run tests, you can optionally initialize the Git submodules for the testing framework. Next, check for all the necessary deployment dependencies to ensure your environment is correctly set up. Use the deploy command to deploy the application. The process creates a kind Kubernetes cluster and deploys the Kubert AI Assistant using Helm. Press any key to continue. The process is creating a kind Kubernetes cluster. CNI plugin is installed to support network policies. The process waits for the Kubernetes nodes to be in ready status. Once the nodes are ready to accept the application, we deploy the Nginx ingress controller to support Kubernetes ingress. The process waits for the Nginx ingress controller pods to be in ready status. Next, we update the host file by adding local domains. An admin password is required to update the file. After that, the process asks if you want to use the OpenAI API key and asks for the API key. The process continues with Helm's deployment of the Kubert AI Assistant. The Helm charts deploy Kubernetes ingress, and the process waits for the ingress to have an address. Once the ingress is ready, we wait for the assistant service to be available. Once the service is available, we will be ready to open the browser and use the assistant. Open a browser and go to the Kubert Assistant local domain. Next, go to the agent marketplace. Select the kubectl agent and let's converse with it. The agent has been added to the chat. Enter your Kubernetes prompt and wait for the results. With Kubert AI Assistant Lite, managing Kubernetes has never been easier. From deployment to daily operations, harness the power of AI to streamline your workflow and enhance productivity. Thank you for watching. For more information, visit our GitHub repository and start exploring the future of Kubernetes management with Kubert AI Assistant Lite today.